Today I'm going to color this little guy here, which is a 3x2 inch photo, which I call the California Bus. California Bus because the Volkswagen Bus has been quite popular here in California, and actually still is. I am going to color my image with Marshall photo oils, which are shown here. From left to right we have sky blue, burnt sienna, cadmium orange, cadmium yellow, oxide green, carmine and cobalt violet. Since it's so small, I don't need cotton rounds, which I normally use for my bigger pieces, but I'm going to use just these Q-tips here and these ITs. ITs are like very pointy cotton swabs for the very detailed work, and I can add paint with those or remove it. So let's get this done. First I'll start with the largest areas, which is in this case the beach and the sky and the ocean. So I'll add some burnt sienna to the beach first. Normally I use cotton rounds for the biggest surfaces, but this video is so small, I'll just use Q-tips. I'm gonna use this burnt sienna later to add the rust to the bus. Okay, I will use the other side of the Q-tip to add some blue to the sky. It's okay to go over the lines a little bit. I'll also add that same blue to the ocean. I will smooth this out a little bit more in the sky. I'll use a clean new Q-tip. Okay, so now let's add some purple, cobalt violet to the front of the bus. So you can make brush motions or just dab it on like I'm doing now. Now I'll use that same blue as I used for the sky and the ocean to the side, to add it to the side of the bus. Maybe a little bit in the front. A little bit here. Now I'll add green. It's going to be another rainbow bus. Okay, that's much too thick. I'll use the other side to remove that. Those extra layers. Okay, that looks better. Now we get to yellow. And orange. And the last one is carmine. Went over the line a little bit on the back here. See if we can remove that. Might have to add some blue there later. It's looking pretty good. So now we'll go back to that burnt sienna and add some rust on the front bumper. I want this a little more color here than the beach, just to separate it. Okay, so now I'll use one of those ITs. Put quite some paint on and add patches of rust. Smear it out a little. Okay, get some more. And add it to wider here. And maybe the window. Oops, I did not want to go over the white of the logo. So I'll take a new Q-tip. IT, I mean, and remove that. There we go. Now I can also remove some of the color of the lights. Oh, and I see I forgot the ocean on the right side of the bus. There we go. Clean Q-tip and remove what's too much. And I still want to add a little bit on this side. Put that red on. There. And it's done. And I just made a little frame for the piece too. So now it's all done.